All right, you ready?
I am ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Hello. My name is Christopher, and the guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake. And this is Fast Lane Classic Cars.
Heck yeah, it is. I'm going to put the phone number above Steele's head in case you want to read it.
Please.
And also, Fast Lane Classic Cars, we're in St. Charles, Missouri, about 15 minutes outside St. Louis if you want to visit us. Or go to our website at www.fastlanecars.com. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Like, subscribe. Now, let's talk about what's here. This is pretty great. It's history. I love this car. It's a 1954 Jaguar XK120. It's a 3.4 liter inline 6. This is the original matching numbers engine to this car. Obviously, it's been framed off or scored. It's got this beautiful dove gray exterior with red and biscuit two-tone interior. Red and biscuit. I love that. I absolutely do. 4-speed. It's got, now let's see, Salsbury 4H rear axle with 354 rear gears, final drive ratio. It's got new chrome wire wheels, new Vredestein Blackwall tires, and let's see, frame off restoration, 63,700 miles, under that. That's pretty incredible.
It's one of the coolest color combos, I think.
I've never seen anything like it.
It's beautiful.
Have you walked around it? We've walked around it. Should we open doors? I think we should open doors.
Yeah, we also have the leather strap here that holds the hood shut. You do have a hood latch and a popper on the inside, but this is just some extra
I love that.
Britishness.
Very
and the
British.
engine bay is awesome. The nice polished valve cover. It looks gorgeous.
These
doors open great.
Look at that interior. Look at this little door
Biscuit,
handle.
huh? Biscuit and red.
Biscuit and red. That's what the real name
Yeah, and
is.
the door handles is just this leather strap. You just kind of pull on that, and that'll open it up.
What is this?
You got little pockets
Stop it.
for storage in here.
Oh my goodness. They're so British. Man, I love this little car. There's your little fuel.
There it goes, that's where the gas goes. These buttons are for the soft top, I believe, if you want to put it up.
I don't know why you would, to be honest. It would be
it's
silly.
about 65 right now and sunny, so we're going to leave it down because it's awesome.
It's gorgeous. I can't wait to drive this car,
You
man.
want to start it up?
Should we do a good old fashioned?
Yeah.
Start up, let's do it. I love the bumpers. Look at the bumpers. Okay, here we go.
You go, good sir.
This is really cool. It's like we're in the past.
There's the mileage right there on the dash. 62,453. We also got a cigarette lighter here, in case you want to take up smoking, but don't do that.
I don't know how you're going to do it.
Heater controls, slow and fast. You have an you-know-what handle right here that's chrome. Kind of cool. Water temp gauge. There's our fuel gauge. You don't have a lot, so we're not going to go very far.
No,
it's an old, delicate car anyway.
Yeah.
But it is very nice today. And then we got amperage right there. RPM gauge, which is backwards. It
Why?
goes the other way, because British.
Oh, they're very, very British.
They're all backwards over there across the pond, aren't they?
I think so.
Very cool, though.
Oh, this is really neat.
Listen to it, too.
It's very British. I love the mirror out there.
Yeah, the mirrors on the fenders are cool.
Only one.
Only one.
Drives nice. It does. Be easy with it. Very. I'm trying to be very genteel. a race car, correct?
Yeah.
Oh God.
I believe these were raced, and I thought the 120 stood for the top speed.
Yes, I think it does. That's what I remember Carson talking
Yeah,
about.
I mean, we're pretty close to each other in here. It's not a big car,
Well, there were small people back then.
but I mean, the Inline 6 outputs a lot of power for how small this thing is.
It wants to go, but I'm really nervous about letting it go. But it sounds great when it gets up to high speeds.
Oh, yeah.
Does it have a signal? Is this it?
Yeah, the signal is that little thing on the steering wheel there.
Okay.
You move it back and forth. Isn't that awesome? And then look, this thing
It indicates.
it'll blink on the dash to let you know that you're indicating.
This thing's cool. This is cool.
Old stuff is cool.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate that. All of us old folks.
You too.
Good deal.
But yeah, this thing is just epic. I like the clock in the middle of the tack too. That's pretty neat.
Oh, very British. I'm actually going to come to a full stop here so I can figure out my way in. This is quite a nice
The steering
car.
wheel is huge, as you can see, for a big person like Stabile. Not a lot of room for his legs to be. But I mean,
And I'm short. I have a 29-inch inseam, folks.
as well as this,
It's just this really.
as well as this car drives, it's
Oh.
really great to look at.
It really is. Would you like me to put it back where it was?
We'll just leave it right here.
Okay. And we're back.
And we're back. That was great.
You know what? It was really cool. And it was nerve-wracking at the same time.
It's a good day for it.
Okay, so. Oh, that's the signal.
That's the signal. Yeah,
It doesn't have an automatic turn.
blinking on the dash. No, it doesn't.
Wow. This is a real period piece. I really like it. Now, you need to help me out.
All right. It was hard getting in. It's probably just as hard getting out for you, huh?
Oh, yeah. So should I just do this?
Yeah, just turn the key off. There it is.
Okay. You know, once you get it, it's kind of like a C2. You know how to get in and out. You just have to slide.
Yeah, big steering wheel, small two-seater car.
This kind of gives me hope I can get into a first-gen Corvette.
A first gen. Yes, that's even smaller.
I've heard they're so small, but wow, this is a great, great car. Somebody's gonna be very happy with this piece. Man, it is cool.
It is cool.
It's nice. Racing legends. Probably drove it.